Hey guys, welcome back to another tutorial video. So in today's video, I'll show you how to disable pop-ups in AdBlock Pro for Safari. So if you keep seeing annoying pop-ups while browsing, just follow along. First, open the AdBlock Pro app and go to the blocking settings. Look for options related to pop-ups, advertisement, or website interruptions. Make sure pop-up blocking is enabled. And after that, open Safari and check the website permissions. Safari also has built-in pop-up controls that work together with AdBlock Pro. So go to Safari settings and make sure pop-ups are restricted. And after changing the settings, restart Safari and test a few websites. If a website still shows pop-ups, check if it has been added on Allow list. So that was how to disable pop-ups in AdBlock Pro for Safari. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe for more helpful tutorials. Thank you for watching.